Set amidst the picturesque snow-covered slopes of Whistler, a town north of Vancouver, the Whistler Ski House, designed by American architect Tom Kundig of Olson Kundig, is a family retreat built to withstand the harsh mountain environment. The living areas of the structure are elevated 10 feet from the ground, keeping the main level above potential snowdrifts and floods from a nearby lake. This is a mountain home that is almost completely wrapped in operable devices to protect it from weather conditions. The ground level includes a garage, a screened terrace, and a ski room. A custom-designed horizontal shutter system was developed to ensure privacy and also protect upholstery and artwork from the harsh snow glare. With simple crank and switch controls, the facade can transform from glass-clad to semi-exposed with raw-edged Douglas fir louvers, or fully protected with Corten steel panels. The house is designed as two separate structures connected by an 80-foot-long glass bridge. The larger wing contains the living and dining areas, the master bedroom, and 2 guest rooms. The smaller wing, or children's wing, has 4 rooms equipped with enough beds to accommodate the family's children, their friends, and leaves room for future grandchildren. A large board-formed concrete fireplace with custom doors separates the main living and dining area from a more intimate media room. The sliding fireplace doors allow the owner to adjust the size of the fireplace opening for the smaller setting of the media room. The bridge not only creates privacy between the two wings, but also weaves through a group of evergreens. By spreading the house across the site, the trees were preserved and the views maximized. On one side, the floor-to-ceiling windows offer views of a mountain lake stretching across the property. On the other side, there is a forest of firs, hemlocks, and aspens. With the flick of a switch, the covers can be lifted, offering a wide floor-to-ceiling view of the nearby lake, the Boreal forest, and the vast mountains in the distance. Distinctive features that make this a luxurious family retreat. Due to the nature of the deep, soft soil on the lakeshore and the home's location in a high seismic risk zone, the house is supported by a continuous 2-foot-thick raft slab on densified soil, created by a series of vibro-densified rock columns extending 60 to 68 feet deep into the ground. The raft slab floats on the densified soil, allowing the house to remain stable during a seismic event that would cause undensified soil to slide toward the lake.